If your HP Instant Ink is not working, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods to get your HP Instant Ink working again. We'll start with the basic printer reset. Move on to updating your firmware, and then try removing and reinstalling your cartridge if needed. By the end of this video, your HP Ink should be up and running smoothly. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset the printer. While your printer is turned on, go to the back and remove the power cord from its rear port. Now, unplug the cord from the wall outlet and also disconnect the power adapter if your printer has one. Wait for around 60 seconds. This gives your printer time to fully discharge and reset. After 60 seconds are up, plug the power cord back into the printers first and then plug it into wall outlet. If that simple reset didn't fix the issue, don't worry. Let's try updating your printer's firmware, which often solves compatibility issues with services like Instant Ink. Method 2. Update firmware. Make sure your computer and your HP printer are both connected to the same network. Open your web browser and visit the official HP support website. Look for the software and drivers section and click on it, and then select printer as your product type. In the Identify Your Printer field, type in your specified printer model number to locate your device. Scroll down through the page until you find the firmware section and look for the latest firmware update available. Click on it to download it. Once the firmware file has finished downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to start the installation process. If your network printer doesn't automatically appear during the update, don't worry. Just temporarily connect your printer to your computer using a USB cable. Wait for about 20 seconds, then click on the refresh button to see if your printer appears now. When your printer status shows ready, click on the checkbox next to your printer name to select it. Click the Update button to begin the firmware update process on your printer. Now, just wait for the process to complete. Your printer's firmware will update automatically. Don't turn off your printer during the time. If updating the firmware didn't work, we've got one more method. Let's try removing the cartridge and resetting the printer, which sometimes helps reset the ink connection. Method 3. Remove cartridge and reset printer. Open the cartridge access door on your printer and carefully remove the cartridge from its slot. While your printer is turned on, go to the back and remove the power cord from its rear port. Now, unplug the cord from the wall outlet and also disconnect the power adapter if your printer has one. Wait for around 60 seconds. Just like before, this gives your printer time to fully reset. After 60 seconds, plug the cord back into the printers first and then plug it into the wall outlet. Now that your printer has restarted, open the cartridge access door again and reinstall the cartridge back into the slot. Make sure it clicks into place securely. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.